Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Hera English School online teaching. Today, inshallah, in English subject standard 10th, we are going to see one of the writing skill, that is view and counter view. Now, you will be given a topic expressing a certain view. View means it is a way of regarding the subject. There are multiple viewing of one situation. When you look at a half filled glass and say it's half empty, it is your view. At the same time, if someone says it is half full, it's a counter view. Okay? When you are provided a view and asked to give a counter view, remember to read the view and get a better understanding of that view. Think, analyze, and conclude how your views differ from the statement given to you. Organize your viewpoint, clarify the doubts, and express your opinions. Supplement with your views with your illustrations, statistics, and proofs. The style of writing should be formal, almost in the nature of a speech, and should express thoughts that oppose the viewpoint expressed in the given topic. Okay, now we will see two of the model view and counter view topics, and then we will try to understand how we need to write it. It will be of 5 marks. Okay, let us see one example given here. View and counter view on the topic our tuition classes and answers to the challenges in education. View: tuition classes are an answer to marks oriented educational system today. With high cutoff declared by the colleges or the schools every year, every mark counts. The overcrowded classrooms and never-ending curriculum acts as a barrier between the student and the school teacher. This lack of one-to-one interaction may not help the child to perform to his potential. Maybe his interest is different, his views are different regarding the things, but he has to go according to what has to be taught and what is the curriculum. Experts who tutors the ready-made notes and PowerPoint presentations which they present makes learning permanent and lasting. Tuition classes are a boon to excel in academics. Now here the view he is expressing is it's a beneficial or it is a gift for the student. What? The tuition classes. Now we need to write the counter views, that is we are going to express the other way around, the opposite ideas to this. So we are going to see the counter views now. Education is not about marks. It is what a fine individual you are at the end of the educational process. That means when the education process comes to an end, how good quality human you become, that is more important. The values of self-reliance, concentration, hard work will be instilled in you if we do not work on our own. The value of self-reliance, concentration, and hard work will be instilled in us if we do work on our own. Teachers do their best in the school and are available even after the classroom hours. They are experienced and qualified and ever willing to give their best. If we concentrate in school, we need not go through the same lesson again in the tuition classes. Preparing our own notes will not only make our learning permanent but equip us the skills to embark on a path of lifelong learning, the finest inheritance the society can give us is a help for us to find out our own way on our own feet. That means the self reliability of each person lie in making his own efforts, his own hard work, not just relying on the tuition but by making his efforts to do so. So these are the total opposite ideas of the views which were given to us. One more example we are going to see now, that is regarding mobile phones should be banned in schools. Now here some of the views are given of the mothers. Now here mother, that is named as a mother, she is telling, my daughter wants a mobile phone but I am not going to give her one. Now mother B says, neither am I. Our daughters are too young for them and may use them mainly to play the games or SMS each other all the times. Mother A says, yes, we managed well enough during our school days without any phones at all. Mother B says, I will try to persuade their school to ban the mobile phones. Now here they are talking about to ban the mobile phone to be used at school. Okay. These two mothers are opposing to use of the mobile by the child. Now let us write the counter view regarding this. Counter view. In this modern era, when electronic equipments found such an integral part of our lives, it is foolish and even cruel to say that mobile phone should be banned in school. I do agree that students may or do make unnecessary use of the mobile to send the text messages and play videos. Maybe they will use it wrongly, but totally to ban the mobile is a bad idea. However, the mobile is very important means of communication. What if there is a sudden crisis? What if a student has no means of getting the transport to reach home because of sudden rains or some other reasons? What if a student faces some difficulty or problem on the way home or in school and needs to get in touch with his or her parents immediately or the family? They want to contact immediately. What if some stranger harasses a student on the way home? There are many occasions when the mobile becomes an important accessory to possess. There can be a rule enforced that students must keep their mobile switched off during the school hours. This will ensure that the mobile is not misused during the learning periods. However, banning the mobile completely would leave the students completely cut off from their, his or her family or friends during times when the student is facing a serious problem. Hence, I completely disagree with the suggestion that mobile should be banned in schools. Okay, so here totally a different view is presented of the, counter view is presented of the view which was been expressed. Okay, So inshallah we'll continue next time the other writing skills. Jazakallah.